name is Scott Richards. I am the president of Specialty Solutions Manufacturing. We manufacture specialty coatings and unique products for the concrete overlay and decorative concrete industry, primarily. Our flagship product is called Perfect Primer. There's a sample of it right over here. And what Perfect Primer is just a simple coating that goes down on top of asbestos, mastic, glue, VCT tile, any surface really, and allows you to then put on any epoxy, glue, tile, or a concrete overlay. It bonds right to it, and in this way you can eliminate virtually all of the grinding, the dust, the asbestos removal, the lead abatements. You get a much faster return to service time, and on large projects you can save hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars in the cost of doing a project. And of course, because it creates no dust, it meets all of the OSHA, NIOSH, EPA requirements because it doesn't disturb anything. The show is absolutely dynamite. We met some great people here. The Department of Corrections and a few of these companies are very, very interested because it saves municipalities tons of money. We're currently used by the Coast Guard. We're used by the Army Corps of Engineers. We've been doing this for 18 years. And we're spreading out. We sell around the country. We're being specified now by some DOTs of some major cities and things like that. The bottom line is it's environmentally sound. It saves a ton of money. It's the thing for now. Grinding, decimation of property. It's yesterday as much as possible. This is the new way to do it.
Very cool. Well, thank you for sharing your story. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Thanks.